Hi everyone, this is Armando with lightsatwholesale.com, and I just wanted to let you know that we have our very own brand of permanent lighting called InvisiLights. What is InvisiLights? This is our system that we have. We have our controller box that has 75 presets that covers every holiday, season, and security lighting. We also have 4 ports that go with the controller box in which you can install up to 100 lights on each port. We have our data booster that helps with the data getting passed on from light to light. And then we also have our RGBW UL listed LED lights that have thousands of different colors because it is an RGBW system. It's a 24 volt system, which also comes with a GFCI outlet adapter that will protect the controller box. And then of course your channel that you'll have in which you install your LED lights into. And then lastly, our extensions that go anywhere from 1 foot to 25 foot, where you can get the extensions without the protective loom, or you can get the extensions with the protective loom, which makes your wire waterproof. What does InvisiLights looks like on your home? This is exactly what it looks like on your home. You got the nice cut clean channel, wires tucked in and put away. Your channel is securely fastened. It's called InvisiLights because it's invisible by day and lights at night. You got a nice symmetric look with the peak bulb on the middle right there in the peak. And you have hundreds of presets you can do, thousands and thousands of different colors. And what we love to call here at InvisiLights is, how are you painting your home? You can paint your home any different color and design you want, depending on the imagination that you have with whatever colors you want to do. Your imagination is unlimited on what you want to do with InvisiLights. So if you have any other questions concerning our product InvisiLights, please visit our website, lightsatwholesale.com. Thank you.